I found a couple of interesting things today. This nice old vacuum, so I'll see if that works or not. Some prick is just going around cut all cords off all the shit there, so yeah. And this microwave still had a cord on it. It's not as healthy as this one. It's had shit dropped on it, bit melted here, case is warped. So it can be a play toy. So I've got assortments of car globes in there. Yeah, I'm going to microwave some stuff. Oh, let's go with the light globes first. There we go. Cool. Whoa. Cool. Don't want the plate tracking. That was pretty impressive. Next. I figured I'd let the light globes go just a little bit more. I think I've got some glass under the turntable. That's fine. Next is a small globe and a festoon missing one end. Festoon is a light globe as well. My God, that was bright. Yeah, I melted a hole in the glass plate. Next, a blown halogen H4 light globe for a headlight on a car. Pour microwave. Oh, that's going to crack the plate. I'm going to have to do something a bit different. You can hear the plate going clink clink. I'm going to leave that door shut just for a little bit. Tried on a bit of plyboard. Don't know what will happen, but that's what experiments are for. I can smell wood burning. I have a wood fire. There's not enough oxygen in there. Yeah. Oh, now they've got the exhaust fan cranked up to high, let's go again. That wood's now conductive. Sure. Smoke. Sure. I've taken the globe out for scientific purposes. Let's just leave some carbonised wood in there and see what it does. Oh, pretty. Wood's conductive. Always give it a second so it doesn't flash over in your face when you open the door. That'd be superheated smoke, add oxygen, enough heat, boom. Microwave's warm. Yeah. Oops, something broke. It's probably the car. Yep. Oh, don't have to worry about breaking that no more. It's relatively smoky in here, it's all going out the fan. Can't smell a thing where I'm standing. Next is a mostly intact 60 watt 240 volt light globe. It's not blown but very close to it. Wow. Don't know if the camera can see that. It was green and purple and now it's blue. Fuck. That was cool. Yeah, look at that globe. Shit. Piece of shit. Yeah, it's going to melt the little arm off that thing. That was interesting. Next is an intact 25 watt light globe. I took the rotator out because it's got carbon on it and that's become conductive. Same as most of the bottom here. I'm not looking at that. That's bright. Dinner's ready. Now let's give it some oxygen, eh? Yeah, it's not going to go out. Hot. Man. Oh, that concludes my cooking lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, I'll show that babe. Cool. That got hot. Oh, that's really thin. Man. Life is good.